How to enable or disable Google Keyboard or Gboard next word suggestions on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on General Management. After that, we go down, then tap on Keyboard List in default. And from here, tap on Gboard. Next, tap on Text Correction. And in here, tap on Next Word Suggestions. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And when this is turned on, the phone will use previous words in making suggestions. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.